If you're a business owner aiming for sustainable growth, you need to know AFRICAGEOVISION. Let's dive into the future of geospatial and mining exploration. Hi, I'm Dawood Akiri, founder of AFRICAGEOVISION. We specialize in geospatial and mining exploration services, empowering industries with precision data. Imagine advanced geospatial mapping that reveals opportunities hidden beneath the surface. Picture drone-based UAV imagery that brings terrain to life with unmatched clarity. Our geological consulting isn't just about digging up data, it's about providing actionable insights that drive sustainable growth. Whether you're in mining, agriculture, or infrastructure, our mission is to help you make data-driven decisions that secure a green and profitable future. Join the AFRICAGEOVISION community and explore how we're mapping Africa's future. Subscribe to our channel for insights and updates. Want to learn more about how our services can benefit your projects? Contact us today and let's pioneer a new era of precision together. Discover Africa, GeoVision, where innovation meets sustainability.